Hey guys, Dr. Neva here. So I'm sitting in my car about to run in the gym. It's raining, so I thought, why not do a quick video, hopefully quick, and something that I've been talking about recently. Now, I've talked about this in the past, but it's basically in reference to hustling. You know, some people are caught up with you're in a certain profession, you have a certain degree, you're not supposed to do a certain job. And I really want to say to those people, knock it off. When your back is faced against the wall, meaning you are faced with a situation, you have to feed your family, you're not going to be stuck in just the profession that you studied for or you're an expert for. Sometimes you have to draw for other opportunities until the right opportunity comes along. There's a good friend of mine, and she probably ended up watching this video. I think I'll share it with her. I'm not going to call her name. She has a bachelor's degree, and at the time she was pretty much wrapping up with her master's degree, but she found it hard to find a job within her field. I mean, just hard to find a job. She was pushing out her resumes, and she'll get the calls, but for some reason they found someone that was cheaper, whatever the reason is. And a lot of times she was just simply overqualified. And she's not the only one faced with this situation. I've been faced with a situation before where they're telling me straight up I'm overqualified. So, for the younger folks, you're sometimes faced with, oh, you don't have enough qualifications. For others, like myself, sometimes it's overqualified. Well, in any case, I mean, she has her family to feed. She has her daughter. So she basically got a job that most of us will not do with a bachelor's degree. She basically went out and started doing waitress work and some other odd and end jobs just to feed her family, just to continue with her education. Now, understand, this lady has made money in the past doing different things from real estate, and at that point I remember her doing the job, and I was like, whoa, this is so not her. But at the same time, it is her in a sense. Like, she's a survivor, she's a hustler, she will do whatever it takes to put food on her table. You get me? So for you to sit back and go, oh, I have a degree in such and such, and I'm not going to do certain jobs because, oh, knock it off, guys. Knock it off. When you have to survive, you go into survival mode. And this topic came up because I was talking to someone, and his thing is like, well, he's an expert at certain things and he will not do anything. But dude, you haven't been working since the year started. So you're going to sit back and wait for that opportunity without trying to take care of yours? Nobody ain't going to support you like that. I mean, people will help you out for some time, but not the entire time. So, guys, listen to me. Put yourself out there, do what you have to do legally until, you're able to get what you want. Get me? All right, guys. So until another time, bye-bye.